Children, good morning. Welcome to today's session, Nana. Children, today we are going to do exercises in your textbook, Nana. Chapter 4, fractions. Okay, open your semester book and open the fractions chapter. In that, open the page number 1 to 0, Nana. Okay, today we are going to do the exercises. Okay, exercise. Color one half of the following shapes in green. One half means what, Nana? We already learned, na? One half means if we divide whole into exactly half, this is a whole circle, we divided into half means one half. 1/4 means we divided whole into 4 parts. In that we gave one part to one child. Here we gave this part to one child, then means 1/2. Here we gave 1/4. From the whole part we gave 1/4 part. Okay, here 3/4 means 3 parts. Yes, this is the whole we divided into 4 and then we gave 3/4, 3 parts to one. So means 3/4. We left out with 1/4. 1/4 we left out. Yes, did you understood, children? Now, today we are going to do the color of one half means 1/2. 1/2 means 1/2 of the following shapes in green. Okay, here one circle is there. 1/2 means 1/2, half of the part. So color like this, or else okay, children. Okay, same like this you can do. Here also we'll have another shape. This we can color 1/2 part means this part. Here also this. Here also this. Okay, here finding half. Yesterday we learned the examples also, Nana. Today again here 6 stars are given here. So here we are going to draw 6 stars. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have to divide these 6 stars into 1/2. 1/2 of each collection. If we can divide these 6 stars into half means exactly we can divide into 3. But how can we do total number of stars? How many will be having? 6. Total number of stars 6. We need to divide the 6 stars into 1/2 means 1/2 into 6. We can do like this also, we'll get the answer. And how? 2 3s are 6 means 3. 2 3s are 6 means 3. Yes, 3. We can divide 3 stars in one set. Either or else we can divide, or else we can do, here we'll be having 6 stars. 6 total 6 stars. 1/2 means 1/2. Yes, 1/2 means 6 can be divided into 2 parts. This is a part. Okay, 6 can be divided into 2 parts. Excuse me. 2 3s are 6. This way also we can do 3. Now here we'll be having few exercises, Nana. Okay, see. Find half of each collection. Here we'll be having how many whistles? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Total we'll be having 12 whistles. We need to divide these 12 whistles into half part. Exactly half. How can we do? Total we'll be having 12 whistles. Means half means 1/2 into 12. Means 12, here we'll be having 12 whistles. We can divide this 12 whistles into exactly 2 means divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. Yes, 12 if we'll do, na? 2 6 are 12. 6 exactly 6 whistles. We can divide it into exactly this part. 6. 2 3s are 6 also we can, 2 6s are 12 also we can do. Or else 12 we can divide like this, na? 2 6 are 12. 0 means 6 whistles. Okay. Next one. Here we'll be having how many caps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 caps are there. We need to divide 8 caps into 1/2 of 8. 1/2 of 8 means how? Here 8 caps, 1/2 of 1/2, half part into 8. Okay. 1/2 of 8 means 2 4s are 8. Else 8 is, if we divide this 8 caps divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. 4 caps is 4. 4 is one set and 4 is another set. Okay. Next, find the half part of this tops. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Usually if we have any few numbers we need to divide 2 sets means by 2, divided by 2 we'll do, na? Here we'll be having 10, then we need to divide into 2 sets means divided by 2 means half part. 10 is divided by 2, half part. 1/2 means 1/2. Here if we'll give 1/4 means 1/4 we'll give. 10 is divided by 2 means 2 5s are 10. 5 will be the answer. Here 4. Okay, how you will do? 2 5s are 10. Okay, this way also you can do. 2 5s are 10, like that also. Okay, hope. Okay, children. Now want to 1/4 or a quarter? 1/4 means, see here, a cake, whole cake. We divided the cake into 4 pieces. Means this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is, means total will become a whole. This is a 1/4 or quarter piece. Okay, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is quarter. 4 quarters is equals to 1 whole. Yes, 1/4. 1/4. If we divided the circle into 4, this is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Yes, this is a quarter. Yes. Yes. To find 1/4 of these squares, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. If we ask one, here 8 kites are there, na? If we ask 1/2 means 1/2 into 8 will do. But here we'll be asking 1/4 means 1/4 into 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 will be the answer. Or else 8 is divided by 4 into, like this also we can do, na? 4 2s are 8. Yes, 2 kites. Yes, children. Yes, 4/2. 4 1/4 into 8. 4 2s are 8. That is 8 is divided by 4 is equals 2. This is 1/4. 1/4 means, if we divide this into 4 parts, see, 2 2 2 2. How many parts will get? 4 parts. Okay. Like the same, color 1/4 of each shape. 1/4 means this. 1/4. You can color the 1/4 like this. 1/4 part of the 4th part. This is whole. Here this whole divided into 4 parts. This is a 4th part, means 1/4 part of the square. Yes, like that you can do this also, Nana. Okay, this. Circle 1/4 of each collection and write the answer. See, here 1/4 of 12 means 1/4 into 12. Yes, 12 is divided by 2. Here we will be having 12 balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. We need to divide these 12 balls to 4 parts. 4 parts means, how can we do this? How can we do this now? Yes, we need to divide this 4. Here we already given 1/4 of 12 is equals 1/4 part into 12. 4 3s are 12 or 12 is divided by 4. Means 4 3s are 12. This 12 is divided by 4 means we are dividing these 12 balls into 4 parts. 12 balls into 4 parts. That's why 12 is divided by 4. Means 3. 3 3. We can 3. If we divide 3 3 na, this is 1/4. This is 1. This is 1. This 4. If we divide this 12 balls into 3 3, then we'll get the 4 sets. Okay. Then here 1 by 4 of 16. Here we'll be having 16 stars. We need to divide the 16 stars into 4 parts. 4 parts means 16 is divided by 4. 4 parts. 16 is divided by 4 parts. 4 4s are 16. Yes, here we'll be having 16 stars. We need to divide 16 stars into 1 by 4th means here na 1 by 4th means 4 this part. So we need to divide 4 parts means in that one part is called the 1 by 4th part. 1 by 4th part, how many stars will get in each part? How many stars will get in each part? 16 is divided in by 4. 4 4. 4 4 stars. 4 4 4. Yes, 4 4. 1 more 4. 1 more 4 means total 4 parts. In that 1 by 4th part is this. Yes, next. 1 by 4 are 4. Here we'll be having 2. See exactly if we'll do like this also you'll get. We can divide this into 4 parts. Means 1 by 4th part means this one. Means 1. Only 1 will get. If 4 is divided by 4, a number is divided by itself, we'll get the 1. Yes. Now you got this now. If we divide this into 4 parts, this is 1 by 4th part. Means how many birds you'll get? 1 bird. Only 1 bird. In the 4th part, how many birds are there? Total will be having 4 birds. If we divide these 4 birds to 1 by 4th part, how many birds you'll get? Only 1 bird. Yes. This is a bird. Yes. Here 1 by 4th of 20. See here we will be having 20 triangles. We need to divide these 20 triangles to 1 by 4th. 1 by 4th means 4 parts. We need to divide these triangles to 4 parts. We will be having 20 total. 1 by 4th means 1 by 4 20. 20 is divided by 4. Means 5. How will get 5? We divide 20. 4 5s are 20. Means 5. 5 5. 1 2 3 4 5. See. Again 5. 1 2 3 4 5. This is one part. 2 3 4 5. This is one. And this 1 2 3 4 5. Total 4 parts will get. Yes. Up to here 1. To here 1. 1 2 3 4. Total how many parts? 4 parts here. 1 2. Yes. One part. 2. Second part. Third part. Fourth part. In one part we'll get 4 stars. Yes children. Here also this is one part of the ball. This is second one. This is third one. This is a fourth one. If we can divide these balls into 4 sets, we'll get 3 balls in each set. In one part. 1 by 4th part. We call this is a 1 by 4th part. Okay children. Hope you understood Nana. Tomorrow we'll discuss about 3/4. Okay. Try to understand this Nana. Okay. And do the practice work. Do the practice work of this. Okay. Okay children. Take care. Bye.